Turmeric as natural indicator. Solutions of substances that show different color in acidic, basic, and neutral solutions are called indicators. Turmeric as an indicator identifies basic solution only. Its color changes to red when come in contact with basic solution. Its color does not change in acidic or neutral solution. Let us now perform an activity to know about natural indicator. A. To create a natural indicator using turmeric powder. Materials required: turmeric powder, Petri plate, filter paper, water, spatula, soap solution and dropper. Procedure: take a 2 spatula full of turmeric powder in a Petri plate. Add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on filter paper and drying it. Cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? Observation: we observe that the turmeric changes color when soap solution is added to it. Inference: the substances that indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. So turmeric is a natural indicator.